The arrival of GILLE helmets in the Philippines heralds a new era of high-quality protective gear, yet competitively priced. As GILLE believes that safety is a must, it has been a vision of the company to provide quality products. Made with ABS 709 material shell, a polycarbonate material with anti-scratch visor, removable liners, and multi-point ventilation in various designs, the customers could choose from. Many variants. Passing strict international standards with flying colors, GILLE helmets assure that the helmets provide safety not just by passing safety certifications, but also by combining real accident data with instrument testing in the process of product development in order to improve safety performance of the helmets. GILLE helmets are designed in Italy, a country that has a rich heritage of motorcycle culture. Although it is made and manufactured in China, it uses high-grade materials and is priced competitively for the Philippine market. GILLE helmets are solely and exclusively distributed nationwide by Hardcore Brothers Technologies Incorporated. GILLE helmets provide comfort, safety, and will keep you in style. Expertly crafted, engineered for safety.